Welcome back to Altitude Addicts. In this video, we are stripping down the intense global battle over the 7 to 8 ton thrust turbofan segment, a market that might seem small, but secretly anchors regional routes worldwide. We are looking directly at how Russia's brand new PD-8 is trying to break Western dominance, sidestepping complex gears to challenge powerhouses like General Electric and Pratt Whitney. You will see the engineering gambles, the supercomputer tests, and the secret alloys making this possible. So make sure you watch till the very end to see who actually wins this high-stakes propulsion war. Regional passenger aircraft that accommodate between 70 and 120 passengers are powered by the 7 to 8 ton thrust turbofan segment. Although it is not the largest civil aviation engine market, it is still strategically significant due to its service to aircraft that operate on short and medium-haul routes worldwide. The majority of engines in this category were initially developed decades ago and have maintained their competitiveness through ongoing upgrades rather than entirely new designs. The PD-8, manufactured by Russia, is the most recent addition to this category of conventional direct-drive turbofans. United Engine Corporation developed the engine for the SJ-100 regional jet and the B-200 amphibious aircraft, replacing the Franco-Russian SaM146 and incorporating technologies from the larger PD-14 program. The PD-8 was engineered to enhance fuel efficiency, durability, environmental performance, and maintainability while maintaining compatibility with the current aircraft architecture, rather than merely replicating its predecessor. Let us take a step back and look at the landscape, because several well-established engine families completely dominate this competitive but highly mature 7 to 8 ton thrust market. General Electric's CF34, which was developed in the late 1970s, is the most common and oldest. The engine, which is currently in production and is capable of propelling aircraft such as the COMAC C909 regional jet, has undergone many upgrades despite its advanced age. The Ukrainian D-436 family, which was developed as the successor to the D-36 during the late Soviet period, is another long-serving competitor. It has provided propulsion to numerous regional aircraft and specialized platforms, such as the Beriev B200 amphibious aircraft. In the 1990s, Rolls-Royce entered this market with the BR700 family. Despite the fact that the Pearl's original design is several decades old, subsequent iterations of the model introduced more sophisticated materials, enhanced aerodynamics, and increased efficiency. Look, let's be real for a second. Building these things is incredibly tough, and engines like the Powerjet SaM146, which was jointly developed by France's Safran aircraft engines and Russia's NPO Saturn, prove just how fragile global partnerships can be. The engine was able to power the original Sukhoi Superjet 100, but it was heavily reliant on international suppliers. That setup made long-term production increasingly challenging after sanctions totally disrupted global supply chains, leaving a lot of planes looking for a reliable power plant. The Pratt Whitney PW1900G, which is a member of the company's geared turbofan family, is the most technologically sophisticated competitor in the segment. It achieves an exceptionally low fuel consumption by employing a reduction gearbox between the fan and the low-pressure turbine. However, the broader PW1000G family has also faced well-publicized reliability and maintenance issues during commercial service. Which brings us to how the PD-8 was developed as a direct replacement, utilizing a completely different design baseline. We are just getting into the deep engineering core of how this engine actually performs under pressure. And coming up next, we will dissect the specific internal thermodynamic shifts and the secret supercomputer simulations that changed everything. So stick around. The PD-8 is classified as a conventional two-spool turbofan as opposed to a geared turbofan. Russian engineers prioritize the optimization of compressor performance, combustion efficiency, turbine technology, and sophisticated materials, while simultaneously guaranteeing compatibility with the SJ100 airframe rather than placing reliance on a gearbox to enhance efficiency. This specific design philosophy enabled the engine to replace the SaM146 with minimal modifications to the aircraft. The SJ100, which is equipped with PD-8 engines, bears an external resemblance to earlier superjet variants. The engine installation is only approximately 5 centimeters longer than the SaM146, while the fan diameter remains unaltered. The aircraft's integration and certification were simplified as a result of the significant reduction in the amount of redesign required by maintaining nearly identical dimensions. This structural match paved the way for radically improved thermodynamic performance inside the core. The PD-8, despite its comparable dimensions to its predecessor, incorporates substantial internal enhancements. A higher compressor pressure ratio is one of its most significant developments. The SaM146 attained a pressure ratio of approximately 22.8. However, the PD-8 exceeded this figure by nearly 26. By extracting a greater amount of useful energy from the combustion process, a higher pressure ratio improves thermal efficiency, thereby reducing fuel consumption without increasing the size of the engine. The bypass ratio remains essentially unchanged at approximately 4.4, indicating that the engine's airflow characteristics were not substantially altered, thereby enhancing engine performance. The PD-8 was supposed to reduce specific fuel consumption by approximately 10% in comparison to the SaM146, as per the original technical requirements. The main source of this improvement is the more effective thermodynamic cycle and the enhanced compressor performance. So, let's take a breather from all these technical data charts and think about what this actually means when a plane is sitting on the tarmac. The numbers sound great on paper, but how does this new design stack up when you look at fuel efficiency in comparison to its massive global competitors? Pratt Whitney's PW1900G continues to be the industry standard for fuel efficiency among engines in this thrust category. Exceptionally low fuel consumption figures are achieved by the large fan rotating at a slower pace while the turbine operates at higher speeds, a feature of the geared architecture. Nevertheless, operating economics are not solely determined by fuel burn. The PW1000G family has encountered many durability and maintenance challenges, which have resulted in increased inspection requirements and maintenance costs for operators. Some of the economic benefits that are linked to its remarkable fuel efficiency have been diminished as a result of these issues. The PD-8 adheres to a distinct engineering philosophy. Rather than using geared technology, it aims to achieve competitive efficiency by using a conventional turbofan design that is highly optimized and has a lower mechanical complexity. This design simplicity directly heavily influenced their approach to achieving reduced noise and emissions. The PD-8 is intended to comply with current and anticipated international environmental standards by incorporating a low-emission combustion chamber that minimizes harmful exhaust emissions. Additionally, substantial consideration was given to noise reduction. To mitigate aircraft noise during takeoff and landing operations, engineers implemented highly effective acoustic liners and sound-absorbing materials within the engine nacelle. The purpose of these enhancements is to guarantee adherence to the increasingly stringent international regulations that regulate engine emissions and airport noise. We are moving into the critical technological breakthroughs and the radical alloy changes that define the engine's true survival odds. And trust me, you do not want to miss the supercomputer breakdown coming up next, so keep watching. Beyond standard green regulations, the overarching focus of the project turned toward achieving an extended service life. In addition, Russian engine developers prioritized a higher level of durability and overall service life. A longer component life directly reduces maintenance costs and increases the availability of aircraft throughout the engine's operational lifetime. The PD-8 was engineered with enhanced durability objectives in comparison to the SaM146, even though the long-term operational data will only be accessible after years of airline service. These objectives necessitated major improvements in high-temperature materials and manufacturing technologies, in addition to aerodynamic enhancements. To get these results, the engineering team made sure the PD-8 is based entirely on critical technologies refined in larger baseline programs. The PD-14 engine program established many of the advanced technologies that later became the foundation of the PD-8. Engineers at UEC Saturn had already identified 17 critical technologies that were deemed essential for future Russian civil aircraft engines, even before the PD-8 entered development. Here on Altitude Addicts, we closely follow these developments, and these specific systems consist of modern manufacturing methods, high-temperature materials, lightweight structural technologies, advanced low-pressure system components, and enhanced compressor and turbine aerodynamics. The production of wide-chord titanium fan blades using near-net shape isothermal forging was a notable accomplishment. Aerodynamic efficiency is enhanced by the use of wide-chord blades, which also reduce the weight and component count. The production of integrally bladed compressor discs, which are commonly referred to as blisks, is another critical technology. These systems eliminate the conventional blade attachment systems, thereby enhancing compressor efficiency and reliability and reducing weight. Industry experts speculate that the PD-8 contains approximately 20 to 25 critical technologies, in addition to technologies that were inherited from the PD-14 program. Now, you might think an engine is just a big metal tube spinning really fast, but the chemistry inside these things is wild. When the supply line snapped, it wasn't just about copying parts. They had to completely reinvent the underlying metallurgy because imports are entirely replaced by domestic materials. Mechanical components were not the only items that were subject to import substitution. It was also necessary to replace all foreign heat-resistant alloys that had been used in critical hot section components of the engine. 6 entirely new high-temperature alloys were developed by UEC Saturn and the VIAM Research Center of the Kurchatov Institute in a relatively short period of time. The engine's design requirements are now fully met by these materials, which also eliminates the need for imported metallurgy. In 2023, the engineering team was awarded the Russian Federation Government Prize for their successful development of this new family of aerospace materials. Because time was running out, the actual timeline of this development was drastically expedited by the use of supercomputers. Before physical testing commences, contemporary aircraft engines increasingly depend on sophisticated digital engineering. The PD-8 program made extensive use of high-performance computing and supercomputer-based simulations to analyze complex operating conditions that would otherwise require expensive testing. Engineers modeled events such as fan blade failure, bird strikes, rotor dynamics, and transient engine operating modes under various conditions. While physical certification tests cannot be entirely replaced by digital simulation, it significantly enhances confidence prior to the commencement of hardware testing. Consequently, many costly certification tests were purportedly successful on their initial attempts, thereby decreasing both program timelines and development costs. All of these efforts have ultimately positioned the engine as a disruptive new entrant in a highly competitive market. The PD-8 is entering a market in which many competing engines were first developed decades ago. Compared to the CF34, D-436, and BR700 families, which are older conventional engines, it provides a more advanced thermodynamic cycle, improved materials, lower projected fuel consumption, and better environmental performance. In comparison to its immediate predecessor, the SaM146, it maintains comparable external dimensions while improving compressor performance, fuel efficiency, durability, and domestic content. Despite the absence of the geared architecture utilized in Pratt Whitney's PW1900G, the PD-8 strikes a balance between the contemporary efficiency and the established simplicity of a traditional turbofan design. More importantly, as we love to analyze here on Altitude Addicts, the PD-8 is a significant advancement in the restoration of Russia's independent civil aircraft engine capability. This modern, indigenous engine is capable of competing technically within one of the world's most established regional aircraft engine segments by integrating technologies developed through the PD-14 program with newly developed materials. We thank the people who have liked and shared the videos and subscribed to the channel. We also thank the people who have hyped the videos